Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, we'll discuss about the choose function in Excel, and we'll see how we can use choose function and what can be its real life implications and what are the things we need to take care when we are using choose function or formula. So we'll start with the syntax. So that the syntax for choose formula is equal to choose. First argument is index number, the next argument will be value 1, 2, 3, and it goes on. So first we'll discuss why we use choose function. So choose function can be used in alternative to some of the lookup function we can tell. Uh, so we'll see by applying, like here I have written the name of some of the companies that sell mobile phones, and they are not in any order, it's just randomly I have written the names. So what we'll do is, based on our understanding, we'll give it a ranking and we'll see. Let's say I give it 2, 3, 1, 4, and 5, and we'll use choose. So the index number is like, while giving the argument, we need to choose a number. Like let's say I'm giving this as reference for now, so it will give, maybe it will give an what to say, error, but let's just go with the formula first. Then value 1, let's say I want to put 1 plus on first place. Value 2, again I want Apple at second, and Samsung at third, Moto at fourth, and Vivo on fifth position, right? And I gave enter, so it gave a value error because this cell is empty. Now let's just, I put 2 over there, so I got Apple because we have given Apple reference for the second place. Now I'm going with fifth, so we should get Vivo. Third is for Samsung. So this is how choose function works. Like we can give the values based on our understanding, like which should be on the first place and which should be on the second place, and according to that we can get result whenever we put the referred cell uh, number, like the index number reference cell that we have given. Even we can use directly, like even without giving the reference, I used 5, so I should get Vivo. There's no need of this, but the thing is, every time I need to change it from the formula itself. That's not something we should do. I mean, we should always give a reference of any cell, and based on the cell reference, we should get make the formula dynamic. So that's how we prefer to do. And let's see how we can use it in a real scenario. So I have name of some employees. Let's, for example, I have given rating to them, like 2, 3, 1 being the best and 3 is the worst. And based on the rating, I'll get the bonuses. I mean, I want to populate the bonuses. So this can be done using the VLOOKUP formula and XLOOKUP formula as well. But we'll use choose formula over here just to see how that works. So I'll start with is equal to choose. Index number obviously will be this one. Then the values, I'll go with top to bottom because that's the order we have chosen. And that's it. And what I'll do is I'll just fix the referencing for these so that when I track down the formula, it doesn't change. So I got 10 because the second rating person should get 10% as a bonus. For the third, we are expecting it to be 5. That's correct. For 2, again, it should be 10, and for 1, we should get 20%. So that's how choose formula works. So let's see where we can go wrong. I mean, if we select in opposite manner. Let's just take an example. I mean, yeah, I'll remove this one. See, it's, for example, I have taken 5, 10, 20 in this particular order. So we'll get an opposite result for that because the order that we have chosen is wrong. 2 being common from both the ends, so that's not an issue. But for others, we'll get the opposite results. So this thing should be taken care of. Like we should be giving the reference of cells or the values in an order that we want it to populate. So that's something we need to take care. Apart from that, this formula can be used at certain places instead of using any other lookup formula. So yeah, you can practice and you can see where you can use this formula in your scenarios, I mean where it fits. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.